What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out Mujjo's leather cases for the all new iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So since the iPhone 5, I've been bringing you guys a look at Mujjo's leather cases for the last few years now. First one we're going to check out is their full leather case, this time in black, but they also have it available in a tan color as well. Alright, so popping this open, you can see it comes in some very nice fancy packaging from Mujjo. And the first and only thing that we get is the case itself, and that is pretty much it. So first off, the leather that Mujjo uses is very high quality. It feels pretty much identical to whatever Apple uses. Smells nice, feels nice, and looks premium. You can see Mujjo's attention to detail. The leather not only wraps around the front, but also right around the bezel and right into the sides, and touches underneath the microfiber back here. And speaking about this microfiber, according to Mujjo, it is a Japanese microfiber with a sophisticated satin-like finish. So it's very soft to the touch, it feels like a microfiber cloth almost, and of course will cushion and protect the back of your phone with the case on. Alright, so let's install this onto the Mujjo leather case. I usually go button side first, and it just pops into place. Anyways, taking a quick overview of this case. First off, it is compatible with my edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector, which is a pretty nice bonus. The leather material does wrap around most of the edge or the top of the phone, left and right side of the top, with the exception of the bottom. Moving towards the sides, you have leather wrapped button covers for the power button, as well as the volume rockers. That being said, they are a little bit stiff to press, however you can still feel the click of the actual button. You also have a small cutout for the vibrate and ring switch, and also like how Mujjo kind of angled the cutout so that your fingers slide in easily. On the bottom here, you have a single large cutout for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. Finally, on the back, you have a single large cutout for the triple lens camera, the Mujjo logo engraved on the bottom, and the most highlighted feature of this case is this premium vegetable tan leather that wraps around the entire portion of the back, sides, and of course the bezels. Here's a quick look at the wallet case, which you can see here. I was able to fit two normal size plastic cards, so you should be able to get away with that, and of course you can use one card, no issues. Anything more though, it's going to be a really tight fit to the point where you may wreck the case, so I wouldn't put anything more than two cards. Overall guys, the Mujjo leather wallet case is certainly a great option or alternative to the Apple leather case. It's pretty much identical in regards to design, however I feel like the leather is a little bit more durable and nicer than what Apple uses. The wallet version here is also a nice added model, as well as it gives the case much more added functionality as a temporary wallet, you could say, and still looks like a nice leather case thanks to the leather wrapped pocket and the stitching that wraps around the entire part. The Japanese microfiber lined back is softer than even Apple's, and like I mentioned earlier, the leather smells nice, feels nice, has a nice premium look to it, and on par if not better than Apple's own leather case for the money. And just like Apple's own case, I kind of wish Mujjo also protected the bottom here, which is completely exposed. Not a big fan of that, but that is one feature I wish Mujjo somehow implemented, was bottom protection on top of everything else. And the attention to detail that Mujjo offers in this case is very spot on, such as the chamfered edges around the camera lens and the vibrate and ringer switch here, which you can see is curved nicely inwards with the leather wrapping all the way in. In Canada here, I compared the prices and it seems like the Mujjo cases are around $10 cheaper than Apple's own leather case, so if you want to save a few bucks, you can't go wrong with this case here as an alternative to Apple's leather case. However, in regards to any cons with the case, my only complaint really are the button covers here. You can see they are covered with leather, which is pretty nice compared to Apple's volume button covers, which are just made of plastic. However, these ones here are a little bit stiff to press. You can still feel the actual clickiness of the button, but nonetheless, I kind of wish they were a little bit easier to actuate. Almost forgot to mention, for those of you worrying about wireless charging, we'll place my phone on a wireless charger, and you can see it charges without any issues. In conclusion guys, if you are in the market for an Apple leather alternative case that's a little bit more affordable and you could argue a little bit more functional, you may want to check out Mujjo's full leather case and leather wallet case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the Mujjo leather cases, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.